How to fix Apple ID login block for security. Now, whenever you're trying to log into your Apple ID, whether on Mac, iPhone, browsers, or iPads, whichever Apple ID's page, and you're getting that login has been blocked for security, it is most likely because you have been trying to log in multiple times. Or if there is too many login from many different locations, the same Apple ID, or somebody has been trying to repeatedly log into your account or get access to your account, Apple does this for your own security to restrict your account or block your login for a while so that unusual people might not be able to gain access to your account. Now, in this case, most of the times what you can do is you can try to log in from the same device that you used to log into Apple ID before, like the same Mac or like the same iPhone using the same Wi-Fi networks. So if you go to account.apple.com and you go to the sign in button, you can try and see if Apple will give you access to that account. If you're using VPN or any sort of settings like that, make sure to disable those as well. If not, then most of the time you can wait 24 hours or more in this case to be able to go ahead and then wait until Apple gives you access to your account. And this way you'll be able to fix the Apple login block for security. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.